Not all real estate plays are created equal. Some barely cash flow, while others can bring in over $10,000 a month from just one property. Let's break down the best strategies and which ones make the most sense for you. Let's say you want to do a fix and flip. You're going to buy a home, renovate it, and sell it, right? You make that money one time, 20 to 100K. You may go 3 to 6 months with no income, and as soon as you sell it, you're out of the job. You've got to go get another one and do it again, and another one and do it again. And if you get caught holding the bag when the market turns or something so great doesn't happen, you could get screwed really quickly. Just talk to our friends from 2008. All right, single family rentals, where you have a family or a group of people living in a home on a 1-year lease, you could be making $200 to $400 a month, right, on this one home. But let's say that the roof goes out, the floor needs repair, the AC, that budget, that $200 to $400 a month, gone in a click of a finger. And it's not just a month's income, it may be a year or two's income. You guys know how much an AC is these days? It's expensive. Maybe you want to do group homes, and that's how you want to start cash flowing. Okay, that is an amazing way to cash flow $1,000 to $2,000 a month or more. You can serve a population that desperately needs your support, whether it's those who need a clean and sober home, developmentally disabled adults, battered women, foster kids who've aged out of the system, whatever it may be. Group homes are an excellent way to serve a population and cash flow a lot better. Airbnbs, $2,000 to $4,000 a month in cash flow. It was an amazing investment opportunity 10, 15 years ago. But I think right now it's probably not the safest place to put your money. When you have companies like Marriott coming in, buying up entire neighborhoods, turning them into Airbnbs, you better believe they have more money, power, and resources than the solopreneur like you or I. And you've got cities like Atlanta, Honolulu, San Diego, Nashville, Scottsdale, practically making it impossible for Airbnb owners to cash flow anymore. Maybe multifamily is something you're considering. 20 units, that could be bringing you in $4,000 a month. But each one of those doors, each one of those units comes with tenants, toilets, potentially unpaid rent, and drama. You're having high turnover, a very damaged property over the year, and you've got to manage a lot of staff who don't really care about your facility as much as you might. I own and operate residential assisted living homes. One home that brings in $10,000 a month. You'll have anywhere between 6 and 16 seniors living in the home, usually paying average rates between $5,000 and $8,000 a month. I don't live in the home, I don't work in the home, I hire the licensed appropriate staff to do the day-to-day care of the residents. These seniors, they're paying high rates because they're not just paying to live in a home, they're paying for that care, that attention, the food, the activities, the utilities, it's all in. But the one home, after paying mortgage, insurance, staffing, you name it, like all in, is bringing me in $10,000 a month net take home. You know, if I had one single family home or one opportunity to invest in real estate, it makes a whole lot of sense to go where the money is. Following the money means following the baby boomers. They've been driving our economy for the last 70 plus years. Check out this video right here on YouTube to learn more about the most lucrative of these options, residential assisted living. Real estate investing is a great way to cash flow and serve people because, let's be real, everyone needs a place to live. And if you're serious about getting started and learning how to really maximize just one property to work less and get more, or as they say, work smarter, not harder, give us a call. I'd love to connect with you and show you how I do this myself and how I've helped thousands of people just like you to do it too. The link is in the show notes. I'll talk to you soon.